and goodbyes. Bonjour et au revoir. Hellos in French. Bonjour means hello and is used in the morning and early afternoon. Please repeat after me and pay attention to the position of my lips. Bonjour. One more time. Bonjour. Next is bonsoir, which is used in the late afternoon and evening. Let's repeat after me. Bonsoir. One more time. Bonsoir. Next is salut, which means hi, and the T is silent. Salut is used for a mate or a good friend. Once again, read my lips. Salut. One more time. Salut. Next is enchanté. This is used for the first formal introduction and it means nice to meet you. Please repeat after me. Enchanté. One more time. Enchanté. If you wonder why there are two E's, it's because if we use enchanté for a male, we only write with one E. And if it's used for a female, it gets two E's. This doesn't make any difference in the pronunciation. Now, let's have a look at goodbyes. Au revoir. This can be used at any time of the day, so please repeat with me. Au revoir. One more time. Au revoir. Salut. This is used when addressing to a good friend. So let's repeat together. Salut. One more time. Salut. So you have to remember that we have a T when writing it, but it's silent when you pronounce it. Bonne nuit. This is used for someone going to bed. So let's repeat one more time together. Bonne nuit. Look at my lips again. Bonne nuit. The T, again, in nuit is silent. Bonne journée, which means have a good day. Together, please, look again at my lips. Bonne journée. One more time. Bonne journée. Bonne soirée means have a good evening. So, together, bonne soirée. One more time. Bonne soirée. À bientôt means see you soon. Then again, like salut, the T is silent. Let's repeat together. À bientôt. One more time. À bientôt. À la prochaine means until next time. So, together please. À la prochaine. À la prochaine. And lastly, à demain, which means see you tomorrow. Let's repeat together. À demain. À demain.